Hey, everyone. Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best car buffers and polishers on Amazon. If you plan to save some money by buffing your car, or maybe you already work as a professional detailing technician and are looking for a new buffer, I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. TORQX Random Polisher. The TORQX Buff 503X has earned a reputation for being a durable machine, delivering brilliant results for those starting in the field of polishing and detailing, all for a decent price tag. It has a 680-watt motor, providing enough power even for sanding purposes, and its wide RPM range from 2800 RPMs to 7800 RPMs allows for several adjustments, making it suitable for a wide range of different jobs. Coming to ergonomics, the Buff 503X features an outside-in or forward grip design for a better grasp. The extension of the body allows for more surface area to hold on, aiding the user in changing the directions and the pad's angle. It doesn't feature the D handle, and therefore it could cause some fatigue after long use. Also, it does tend to become a lot more ponderous to handle while working. What we like about it? Powerful motor. Best value for money. What don't we like about it? Average ergonomics. Number 2. DeWalt Buffer Polisher. We begin with the people's favorite, the DeWalt DWP-849X Buffer Polisher. DeWalt is famous for building high-quality and robust power tools, and the DWP-849X is no exception. It has a 12A motor that can drive the pad to around 3,500 RPMs without any hassle. Of course, you can also control the motor's speed using a dial on the body, making way for more adjustments. Another area where the DWP-849X excels is ergonomics. DeWalt has made way for an additional D handle, apart from the regular T handle, allowing the user to tightly grasp the polisher's head for better control and precision. The D handle also pivots forward or backward for a more customized experience. In terms of performance, this does a great job of getting rid of the heavy dirt, grime, and smaller debris. What we like about it? Excellent performance. Brilliant ergonomics. Wide speed range. What don't we like about it? Not suitable for 40-hour week use. Number 3. Makita Polisher. Makita is known for its quality power tools, and this is no exception. The dual-purpose polisher is a well-made machine with enough adjustments to make precise corrections. Besides, its powerful 10A motor has a range band that goes all the way up to 3,200 RPMs. The Makita features a rubberized D handle that can pivot forward and backward, resulting in improved handling and precision. For better durability, this comes with a wire mesh that protects the motor from fibers or debris from entering and potentially damaging components. Furthermore, Makita has engineered the 10A motor to perform at the same RPMs no matter the load. What we like about it? Lightweight body. Wire mesh ensures better durability. Brilliant versatility. Wide RPM range. What don't we like about it? Scratchable bail handle. On the pricier side. Number 4. Meguiar's Dual Action Polisher. Meguiar's is a well-established manufacturer in the auto detailing world, and its reputation talks for itself. So much that I bet you can't find a detailing shop that doesn't use a single Meguiar's waxing compound or tool somewhere. And its polisher is just as good as everything else it produces and easily lives up to the expectation. The MT300 is a beginner-friendly polisher with a pocket-friendly design, nicely built housing, and capable of removing paint imperfections and swirls with no hassle. This is built quite tough, yet it boasts a design that makes it easy to grip thanks to the large groove D handle. It promises an outstanding user experience even after long periods of polishing. What we like about it? Reasonably priced. Good ergonomics. Lightweight body. What don't we like about it? Noisy. Number 5. Milwaukee M18 Fuel Polisher. Milwaukee has been widely regarded as an expert in the field of cordless power tools for some time now. Consequently, it is no surprise that a Milwaukee tool is featured in this list. The M18 Polisher sander is different in many ways from other car buffers and polishers, making it stand out from the crowd as a definite favorite amongst car care enthusiasts and detailing professionals. Firstly, the brand claims that the M18 is the best cordless polisher of its class. What we like about it? Powerful brand name. Cordless design is rare in this range. Very light despite the battery packs. Excellent battery life, especially with the 9 hour optional pack. What don't we like about it? Quite noisy. More expensive than the competition. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.